Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in to Comerica Bank Online Banking on PC. Comerica Bank is one of the American financial services company providing various range of financial products. To log in to Comerica Bank Online Banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.comerica.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Comerica Bank. Now here you can see login option on the top right. Click on login button. With this, here you can see the login box on the right side. Now to log in, you need to first enter your user ID on the given box. If you want your user ID to be remembered, click on Save User ID box. With this, enter the correct password of your account on the given box. Now, if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. And if you need help logging in, click on Help option. Similarly, if you want to log in to another commercial services, then you can click on Choose Service option, then continue with the process. After entering all the credentials, click on Login. After this, you need to authenticate your account for security. To do that, you'll receive a OTP, that is one-time password, on your mail or text. So check your mail address or text, then enter the given OTP on the given box. After this, you'll be able to log into your account. This is how we can log in to Comerica Bank Online Banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.